How to use Google Map while driving. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps while you are driving or traveling somewhere. First of all, open the application. Now, first you must set the location where you are going to. Here at the search bar, search for the location that you want to go to. Now tap on it. So this is the location that I have searched. Here you'll be able to see the option called directions. Tap on directions. Now here we must select the options that are available. So there is walking distance and there is the vehicle one. So I'm choosing this vehicle one, and here on the bottom you can see the start option. Tap on start. So it has been started. So as you move the vehicle, the navigation will also move, and according to it, it will show you where to go to. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.